The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect once more to each and every one. Yes, me there here again once more, as I say. I'm a bit tired today, viewers and subscribers, you know, because on February 13, the year 2022, I was at my father's grave digging. Yes, or some Jamaicans might call it. As I say, yeah, he was preparing for his funeral and so forth, and you know, did certain things and felt a bit tired today. So I want to say pardon me if you didn't hear from me for a certain amount of time. You understand? Yeah, I went to different places within the country of Jamaica and meet with friends and families, and then we went to a certain location to do this thing that is known as grave digging and preparing for my father's funeral. My father passed away in December last year. That would be the year 2021, and meeting up with friends and families at a certain location within the country of Jamaica was a sad yet somewhat a good and a happy situation, because I haven't seen some of my friends and families for many years, you understand, as far as the 20, probably more and less, you see. Yeah, so you know, just to make you know about that, viewers and subscribers, yes, I may say, and you know, just still want to show the most respect to my father. You see me, he's a good man and he's a great man who led by a good example. Alright? Yeah, so big up to Mr. Pearson. Yes, I say. Now I want to say to each and everyone that after you finish watching this video, I want you to go over to a YouTube channel that is called Uncle Mark Music and check out a song that is called Can't Return. Yes, the song called Can't Return, that's on Uncle Mark Music. That's the name of the YouTube channel. Yeah, that song is a good song. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below, and if you click that link will take you over to the song that I'm talking about. Alright? Yeah, take a listen to that song. Good quality song. Yes, I say. Anyways, my people, so may I get started with a video. Alright, so I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a man had been taken into police custody for a certain reason. Now, this video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. I just do not know when the video had been recorded. You understand? And to my knowledge, it seems as if the police questioned the man about a certain amount of money that he had on him at the time when police officers brought him into police custody. Viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and then tell me what you think, alright? Yeah, tell me what you think about the whole situation overall, if possible, alright? And here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me, people. Observe.
Oh, police is a nice car. Every police is a very nice car. Every car.
You see the cash? You see the amount of money?
So, Inspector, are you going to charge me, sir, and arrest me? I've been here for I've been here for nearly 2.5 hours.
I think you're way over your head now, so you can't allocate time. The police need to satisfy yourself as a race, so you come by the cash. So I don't think you're supposed to be saying that you're here for 5 minutes or 10 minutes if you're making checks to verify to verify the cash. So I don't think you should be saying that you're here for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes, sir. All you need to do is ensure that the cash is okay while the police make the checks. That's all I need to do. And we have a smooth flow.
Yes, so I go and listen.
No problem, no problem.
You got the money from the bank? You got the money from the bank?
Huh?
You got the money from the bank?
No.
You collect it from people?
Collect it around, and I collect it from house, and I collect it from patients, and I collect from people that get me from.
But we don't know, you see receipts to the collect money. Just a question.
I do, of course, that's I collect receipts. Yes, but these are people that
You're just going to talk now. You're just going to talk now. You're going to put the cell phone down. Alright? We are going to ask you some questions related to the money. If you are satisfied, free to go. As it is now, you're going to put the cell phone down. Down, you can quote me on this one. Alright?
Suppose anything happened to me, like
I don't
anything.
care what happened to you. You will be in our custody as of now. So you're going to put the cell phone down, pause the cell phone. And that will be the final instruction. Put it down and we'll go through this process. Then you can record all you want. Put the cell phone down.
Now, my people, not because a person have a large amount of money on him, you know, that not means to say the person do criminal activities to get that money, you know. You understand? You see? Because, you know, you have people out there where do things in different ways and means to get the money that are not illegal. You understand me? But you see, the police, them have to do them work, I understand. But sometimes, you know, certain situations can reach persons out there that can be embarrassing because if you know that you're an innocent person and then you're being questioned for something that you know you have within your possession legally, and then you're being asked certain questions and being treated as if you're some form of criminal, you might feel away, you understand? But again, like me I said, the police, them have to do them work because a beer madness are going on in Jamaica at the same time. You see? Now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show some things that happened when two persons had been apprehended by law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica because they were believed to be involved in some form of criminal activity. Alright? Now, the video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. I just don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video had been recorded, and I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. In the video, you can hear civilians yelling and shouting at law enforcers because of the way how those law enforcers were treating those two persons they apprehended. See, the video shows when at least one of those persons had been hit by law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica repeatedly. See, and my understanding about the situation is that there was a police and soldiers at a certain location within the country of Jamaica at a certain time doing their duties, and that they went searching for persons who they believe were or is involved in criminal activities, and those two persons had been apprehended by those law enforcers as a result of law enforcers doing their duties. You understand? There's more information about the situation, but I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. All right? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with my people. Observe. So that's about my people. Yeah, so you can hear in the video where one of those law enforcers asks about a gun to one of those persons who had been apprehended by those law enforcers. That's what I say, my people. But you see, I know the police are going to do them work and should do them work. You see what I say. But sometimes I don't know if I say about certain situations, you see. But that video has been talked about on social media, and you know me, Dancehall skilla. I'm going to bring these videos to you and at least let you know what's going on. You can also let me know what you think. That's one of the reasons why I presented the video to you as well. Alright, viewers and subscribers, because the video has been talked about on social media. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a courthouse that is located within the parish of St. Anne, that's within the country of Jamaica, caught on fire on the 13th of February, the year 2022. Some persons might also call that courthouse Brownstown Courthouse. You see? Now, according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, and I want to be very clear, is that I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly how and when the fire started, and I did not get any confirmed information as to what time firefighters arrived at that location to fight the fire or battle the fire. However, according to information that I got the understanding that firefighters arrived at that location sometime after 7 p.m. on the 13th of February, the year 2022, and they battled the fire, trying to put out the fire. You see me I say? Yeah, remember now, that information is not exact information as to when those firefighters arrived at that scene, you know. But to my understanding is that they arrived at that scene sometime after 7 p.m. So it could be even after 8 p.m. at the same time on that same day. You see me I say? I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly what started the fire as well to viewers and subscribers. But, you know, this thing is really being talked about on social media. I'm just making know what going about the whole situation and the incident as well. You see me I say? But anyways, if there's more information about the situation, I will let you know, you know, depending on how big the whole information are, or how much people want to know about the information, as well as if me get those information as well, you know. But yeah, so me have left it. So big up and respect to each and every one. You understand? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla, and big up on yourself, you see?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.